Hi, my name is Brian Zimmerman. I'm a Senior Product Manager here at SolarWinds MSP. Today we're going to talk about MSP Manager, your ticket to managed services. First and foremost, when evaluating any ticketing or PSA solution, it's important to understand that it's going to meet your needs from a ticketing perspective. After all, it's not useful to automate your professional services if the day-to-day operations aren't efficient. When we built MSP Manager, we did so with the aim of being as efficient as possible for you as an MSP. Our workflows are very non-prescriptive, and we try to stay out of your way as much as possible. The last thing we want is for you to be caught managing the management tool. Here in our help desk, you can actually easily stop, start, pause, or act on tickets. So those are all the timers within the tickets. Quick actions are available from the right-hand side. Very easy for me to understand what I need to do and to start actioning that right away. Filters are available on the left. In addition, I can customize these filters with the selections below. Perhaps the best example of what we're all about is adding a new ticket. When I add a ticket, all that's required is for me to enter the customer and the issue. Once I've done that, I can save the ticket and start a timer right away. Starting the timer automatically assigns the ticket to me as the technician working the issue. In this case, this is a server installation. The tasks feature allows me to load standard operating procedures that are repeatable to make it even easier to work this ticket. Checking off a task automatically adds a note, or even time entry based off the standard time that the task has been documented to take, making it even easier for me to document my work. And if that's not enough for you, our quick ticket feature makes it even easier to manage the work you have ongoing and to create new tickets. Again, simply select the customer, the service item, which there is a default automatically selected for you, and start the ticket. Now, knowing what to do is important, but knowing how to do it, even better. Built into this tool is a knowledge module that allows you to keep track of procedures, serial numbers, expiry dates, network topology information, and of course the standard operating procedures in task templates we showed you already. The passwords specifically are a great source of information, and if you don't trust keeping your passwords in a simple file, we allow you to encrypt this password with AES 256 military grade encryption. We save this password in a zero-knowledge way. So if you add a secret to this password, you must have this secret to retrieve it. We don't even have a backdoor to unencrypt your password for you. Now, if you'd like to create a backdoor yourself, there is an owner secret as a fail-safe that you can set as the owner of the company. So you do have that secondary means of decrypting your password. Using the procedures, passwords, and other knowledge information to store important information about your customers allows you to resolve issues easier, as well as repeat processes that are important, document your relationship or agreements that you have. But more importantly, it helps you speed up the efficiency of your help desk system. Now, if you happen to work in an organization that has more than one technician, or perhaps several, scheduling can be a real pain. Our scheduling view allows you to see what all the technicians are doing at any given time, schedule appointments, link those appointments to tickets, and in the event of recurring work that happens regularly, you can actually schedule recurring appointments right in this same tool. The recurring appointments and recurring tickets allow you to ensure that repeatable work is done automatically, removing the burden of configuring those repeated tasks that you need to do every month. Now, organizing your work and schedule, really important. Knowing what to do with efficient knowledge documentation, even better. But it's all for naught if you can't bill for it. Our billing module allows you to standardize and automate the billing of your clients. We built a feature called Program Levels that allows you to align our product with your business programs. In general, you should choose a product that aligns to your business, not the other way around. Here's an example of a premium program. Looking at the program, we actually can define the different services that are charged per customer. These are called service plans. There are lots of options for service plans. There are flat fee type contracts, hour retainer type contracts, very flexible. More simple break-fix style hourly contracts, very popular. Money retainer contracts, which fulfill the needs of block hours and other similar arrangements. And last but not least is project type revenue. The flexibility in our billing module is quite extensive, and the program levels allow you to, in a many-to-many relationship, assign those service plans to the customers that need them, all in one step. Doing it through a program level means that you can now actually manage those in an ongoing way. If you need to change the program, you can make changes and propagate those to the child customers. If you need to customize on a customer-by-customer basis, no problem. That's available for you. You can break the link to the program, make your customer edits, and that will be removed from the program. But for the general case, this allows you to standardize the offerings that you give to your customer. One of the big advantages of this framework is when I add a new customer, setting up that billing is as easy as choosing the appropriate program, and the contracts are all created. So not only are we automating the billing of your customers, we're helping to automate your customer setup. Now it's approaching the end of the month. Now it's time to generate some invoices. This is a task that I've seen some MSPs take days, if not a whole week, to generate these invoices. With MSP Manager, invoice generation is a simple task. In just a few steps, select the customers and service items you'd like to bill for. Generate a billing batch. Generate the appropriate invoices. Now, if you'd like to include all the service items in one invoice per customer, easy to do. These invoices should be exported to an integrated accounting system. We support QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, and Xero. If you don't have an integrated accounting system but would like the invoices for your own systems or your own uses, you can download those as a simple CSV, no problem. For those of you who are already a SolarWinds MSP client using SolarWinds RMM or N-central, we'll save the best for last. Not only is this a great standalone PSA and ticketing solution, it's also integrated with those tools in a very meaningful way. The most important of that is the inclusion of assets. All the assets that exist within your RMM are automatically imported into MSP Manager. In addition to importing the assets, we actually can view tickets, outage history, key system information, and even take control of those assets right from within the ticket. This is part of an extremely meaningful integration that we're very proud to offer to our customers of both systems. If you're not a SolarWinds RMM customer, no problem. The asset model is exceedingly flexible using custom asset classes and types. And you can enter your own assets in the system as needed. This allows you to bill by those assets automatically with the flat fee billing module, as well as simply track what you're managing and what you're doing. It's another way to ensure that you have the right documentations about your customers and their environments. Now, this is just a taste of what we can offer. To learn the full extent of what MSP Manager can do for you and your business, visit us at solarwindsmsp.com.